on, ostrich. There's just one small gap left and only you can fit through it. Huh? I'm coming. I'll drink coffee. I'll drink coffee as well. I'll drink tea. But Hey, ostrich, what are you thinking? I'm just thinking this is the third video, so it is little bit clumsy, but the video is coming as we planned and it's a 1 hour video, right? Yeah, correct. Okay, everybody thinks that the video is coming along perfectly. You don't have to rise like our favorite god Ganesha. Oops. Everybody's favorite god here. Even Mr. Macau's favorite god is Ganesh. Yeah, I know. Everybody's in the flock. Ganesha is the favorite god of everybody in this flock. Even the kids and babies. Yeah, we loved him since we were babies and kids as well. Yeah. Anyways, let's chat. Yeah. Anyways, what should we four do? Meanwhile, the other grown-ups are talking. We are also grown-ups, but what should we do? But I'm not a grown-up yet because I'm still at 12th standard and I'm at school. Even though I'm pretty big, I'm not a grown-up. If I just get a little incy more big, then I will be a grown-up. Okay, then I will go to college. Remember? So, when I pass 12th class, then I will go to college. Now I am just going to relax. Is that a lobster? Throw it. Phew, it almost pinched me on my eyes. The babies and kids are going to piggyback ride for 1 hour. 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? Yay! Okay, you don't need to kick little one. Especially she's a little one because she's so small. She's smaller than the rest of the kids. Yeah. But we don't mind because we love babies and kids. Where did my ride go? Looks like I have to find another one. Oh, maybe Chicky. Can you please be a little side? Sure I can, little one. Thank you. You're welcome. I know she is the friend of my little cousins, like blue jay and orange jay and green jay and that egg. Phew, that was a long sentence. Anyways, let's relax in the sun above. Oh wait, I forgot. This is a mall, remember? We celebrated Pingu's birthday in the mall and this is the same spot. So, there's a wall just above. But from the window's help, I'm getting some sunlight. I'm just going to drink guava juice. That's more like it. Let's kill. Huh? What's this? Hey, don't swallow that. Phew. It rolled away there. What? Don't worry, I'll give you the pacifier. Phew. Who's tapping on me on my shoulder? Huh? Oh, that's so cute. I want piggyback ride. Hop on above. Giddy up. Owie. Well, looks like I got a job. Yeah, blah, blah, yeah. Those kids and babies are so funny and cute at the same time. And adorable as well. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, especially my 4 kids are so cute and adorable. Yeah, but you don't have 4 kids. You have like 3 kids. No, 4. One is on the way, remember, in the egg. Oh, yeah. Well, the other grown-ups have been talking for a long while. Oh, wait, it's just been 6 minutes. Anyways, Oh, can you please choose another one? My back is hurting. Don't worry, I will give you a new bird pacifier. Who is that? I hear some sucking noise. Oh, that's so cute. One of the kids and the babies. One of the kids and babies. Huh? Show me. Oh, they just wanted to tell you something. Yeah. What? You want a piggyback ride? Oh, yeah. You cannot speak with your pacifier on your beak. Wait, let me take out that. I want a piggyback ride. And I'll keep back the, pacifier. Okay. I'm going. This is the life. Mr. Macau was carrying Princess on his back. Yeah. Anyways, let's talk. Yeah. Phew. Oh, can I have some guava juice as well? Sure. Thanks. That's the life. Yeah, you're correct. Only 2 of us have left. Yeah. Okay. We have done the grown-up talk. Now what? Now, I don't know. Let's just... Ow! Ow. Let's just look at the kids and the babies. That doesn't sound anything interesting. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now what? Oh, my bottle is finished. Can you give me another one? Sure. I have a lot of them. Like 1,000 in my backpack. Wow. Yeah, I know. I just extra loaded it for my friend. Thank you. Let's do more talk. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Let's bring my Green Jay so we can learn her to say her first word. Yeah, okay, yeah. Green Jay! The duck Time is over. Give me Green Jay back. Okay. Here, I'm passing it to you. I'm passing her to you. Oops. Emergency, emergency. Everybody be side. Nothing happened. Phew. It's okay. Shh. Say mommy. Mommy. She said her first word. Come on, Pink Parrot. She said her first word. Ow. Oh, wow. Huh? Wow. Mommy. She's saying it again and again. Let's do it. Yeah. Ow. Oops. Sorry, all of you. I just get overexcited. It's okay. So it's a funny show. Yeah. Show me. Mommy. Wow! Ow! Not more tumbling on. Oh. 1 hour later. Mommy. Oh, you want a milk bottle with baby formula inside? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's relax, I guess. No. Let's just relax. Oh, is the time over? Yeah, your mother said. Oh, man! Here, take your egg back. I took good care of it. Thank you, my best friend. You're welcome. Good to be back with my egg. Thank you a lot. You're welcome. Thanks for everything. You're welcome for everything. Ding. Kids, look at the baby. Yeah, I'm looking at her right now. Mommy? Huh? She talks? Is that her first word? Yeah, little one. She just told her first word. Wow, that's cool. I was saying wow because I was amazed. Oh, yeah, of course you have a baby voice. Yeah. Okay, time is over for all babies and kids. Please put the babies and kids down. Okay, time is over. Oh man, let's see baby friend. Baby friend, how are you? She can speak a little bit, but she can only say mommy. What? Wee? Yeah. Mommy. Oh yeah, she can say. Wow! Our baby friend, our little baby friend is speaking. Wow. Yeah, wow. Ow. Let me get there with Green Parrot and the kids and the babies. Honey. Yes? Our little baby newborn chick can speak. Yeah, I know. Learn her second word. Okay. Say Papa. No, say Father. Father. Mommy, Father. What? No, she can say Father. Yeah, she will. Yeah, she was a good girl. Yeah. Looks like the kids are excited and the babies as well. But there's only one baby here. That's Green Jay. That's so cute. Hey, can you speak, little one? Mommy, Daddy. Oh! What? What are you doing? Done. Okay, everybody, looks like it's nap time. Let me tuck in the baby first. The youngest flock member in the flock. That's my little newborn child. I mean chick. Rock my baby on the tree tops. Sleep. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. But who will take care of the egg? Mommy. Oh yeah. Rock my baby on the tree tops. Let's just keep it under this giant pillow so that the giant pillow can fertilize the egg. Great idea, Mommy. Oh yeah. Rock my baby. Let's keep it, huh? Oh yeah, there it is. You are the naughty egg. Ah, get off of me. Oops, sorry. In the night. Okay, now let's sleep. Where's the rest of the kids? They are just coming. Mommy, time is over. Yeah, get some sleep. Where's my elder sister? I don't know. I thought you were playing with her. Let me search for her. Huh? She must be over here somewhere. What? How did she disappear? Huh? Oh, that was so clever, big sister. Yeah, I know. Small brother, let's weep. Do you need some space? Yeah. Okay. Owie. Yeah. Okay. Come on, brother. I'm coming. Oh, they are so cute. Yeah, I know. Now let's sleep. Oh, do you need baby formula as well? Yeah. Lucky I have some more. Mommy. Mommy! You are. Okay, let's get some sleep. You too? I'm coming. Oh, you need some baby formula? Yeah, sure, please. Come on, Pinga. I'm coming, Mommy. Do you also need baby formula? Yes, Mommy. Well, the penguin family sleeping? Me as well. Give us some side. Oops. Just sleep. Oh yeah. Then after that, after some more minutes, we will go back, right? Yeah. Oh wait, I will sleep there with Ducky. Me as well. What? Where's Princess? She's the only standing baby and kid who is not sleeping. She's the only kid standing, not sleeping. I don't know where she go. She's so tiny. She can be anywhere. Oh, that was easy. Okay, little one, time is over. Let's sleep. But I want to do more. Huh? Where's father? Oh, there he is. Ow. Guys, it's the third video, so it might be a little shaky, but the video is coming along as we planned. Let's continue with the birds. Okay, my little cute darling, let's sleep. Oh, here you go, your baby formula. Thank you. Ah, oops. It's okay. Let me put my baby formula bottle back on my beak. Hey, I'm not doing that. Oh, they're slurping very loud. I didn't do that at all. I think because they made me baby afraid. Yeah. Let's sleep. In line. Yeah. Of course. Let me sleep. Yeah. Okay. Ah, I'm coming. I'm sleeping. Swan. Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah. And ostrich. Oops. Sleep in line. I'm sleeping. Ow. A little help? Okay, I'll just sleep there. Let us both also sleep. Here. Yeah, great idea. I'm coming. One hour later. Now wait, 2 hours later. 3 hours later. It's been like, I don't know how much hours, but a lot of hours. Everybody's still sleeping. There's Chloe, there's the penguin family's kids, there's the duck, there's Mother Penguin, there's Rooster, and there is Cockatoo, and there is Toucan, there is Mr. Pigeon, and there is Mr. Macaw, the new flock member, and there is Orange Jay, Blue Jay, and Green Jay, and the egg's elder brother, and there is Chicky, and there is Swan, there is Ostrich, there is Yellow Parrot, and there is Owl and Snowy, and there is Red Parrot, and there's Little Princess, and there is green jay, and there is green parrot, there is blue jay, and there is orange jay, and there is father peacock, and there is ducky, and there is baldy, and then there is rooster, and then there is none. Okay, that's all the birds. But now I woke up. Now let's start waking up the others. Wake up, cockatoo. It's time to get up. It's been like 1 plus 2 equals 3, and another 3 equals 6. Yeah, 6 hours. It's been 6 hours. Huh? 6 hours? That's a long time. Two can you also? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, it's been 6 hours. So much time. Yeah, that's what I have been telling you. Mr. Pigeon as well? Oh, what happened? It's been 6 hours since we have been sleeping. Oh. Okay, Mr. Macau, wake up the new flock member. What is it? It's been 6 hours. What? 6 hours? Oh man, that's a long time. Let me stretch out my tail first. Yeah, there we go. All ready for the day. Wake up. Orange jay, blue jays, and green jays, and the eggs, elder brother. It's been 6 hours. Oh my god, that's a lot of time. I know. Oh, my leg is perfectly healed. Now I don't need the plaster. I'll remove the plaster from the doctor tomorrow. Then I would be easily standing, because now I am also easily standing. Wake up, chickie. It's been 6 hours. What? 6 hours? Yeah. Wake up, parrot family. Oh, what happened? Ow. What happened? Ow. It's empty. Mine's all empty too. Give it to me, kids. I'll just keep it in my backpack for later as well. Okay, this as well. I have all 3 baby formula bottles. And where's the egg? Oh yeah, it's under there. For that, everybody has to wake up. Let's wake up, baby friend. Yeah. Good morning, darling. Good morning, honey. It's actually not morning. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's wake up your baby friend and my little newborn kid. Wake up, wake up, wake up, little one. It's time to wake up. Yeah. Everybody has woke up in the parrot family. Wake up, peacock family. Oh, I'll just keep it in my backpack. I kept it in my backpack. The empty bottle. Wake up, little one. My little sweet baby kid. Wake up, my little sweet kid. Daddy, what happened? My bottle was empty and then I was sleeping for some time. But why did you wake up? Because it's been 6 hours. What, Daddy? Are you lying? No? Oh man, I just want to sleep a little bit. Don't worry, my friend. We have to wake up now, right? And in some time we will just go back to home. You're correct. Yep. Wake up, rooster. Oh, some of them have already wake up. Now time for me to wake up as well. And here's your egg, parrot family. Thank you, rooster. You're welcome. Now let me sit on it back. Yeah, princess, our friend. We have to go after just 55 minutes. So we have to wake up. We will just go in some time back to the bird city, right? Yeah, but we can come here every time, you know. Oh, yeah, okay. What do you think, leader? Can we come tomorrow? Please, Daddy. Well, I can't resist those cute faces of the kids and babies. Well, the answer is okay. We will definitely come. Huh? Wake up, kids. Huh? Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy. Okay. I packed some fried fish in my backpack, in your lunchbox, in your baby lunchbox. I'll take those two and put it in my backpack. Zip. Oh, have you taken your egg? Sure. Okay. Mommy, give me my baby lunchbox. Me as well. Give me my kid lunchbox. Yeah, kid lunchbox. Okay, I'm taking out it right now. Yeah. I'm so hungry. Okay. Where is it? Aha! There's Pingus. Yay! So yummy. So yummy. Okay. And here's your Pinga. Yay! I'll open the lunchbox for you. Fresh sardines. That's so yummy. The fish is so yummy. Yeah, this fried fish is so yummy. Yeah, you're correct. Oh, they're so cute. That's why the leader could not resist the kids and babies' face. So he said we can come here tomorrow to enjoy back, kids and babies. Yum. Wee wee. Goo. Yeah, we will. Yay. Okay. There's still 10 fishes left in your lunchbox, right? In your baby kid lunchbox. Yeah, there's 10 more fishes. Let me eat it fast because I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'm eating. I also have 10 fishes in my baby kid lunchbox. Mommy, don't sleep. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. Wake up the duck. Ow. I hate fishes. I hate fishes. Oh, what happened? Phew. I'll never eat fish again. Never in my whole entire life. Yep. Yep. Ew, gross. Fish is disgusting. But I guess the penguins like it. Yeah. Sure. Try one. No. I don't want to. Please. Okay. Suit yourself then. Come. Yeah. Come. Just 9 more fishes left in my baby lunch kid box. Have yours? Yeah, just 9 fish left in my baby kid lunch box. Let's eat. Yum. Wake up, Crowy. Oh my god, is there a snake? What's happening to you both? Oh yeah. It was just a horror dream. It was just a nightmare. Oh. In my nightmare, I saw you and me and all of you were being eaten by a snake. Oh, that does sound pretty scary. What about you, the duck? Why did you say I hate fishes even though you don't eat fishes? Yeah, I said I hate fishes because in my dream there was a tornado and I got in its grip, and then the tornado led me to the ocean and the shark ate me. And I saw you all in his stomach. In the shark's stomach? Yeah. Well, let's wake up the others. Okay, wake up, Baldy. What happened? Ow. That was a good nap. Is that a giraffe? Is that a giraffe monster? No. Let me eat. There's 10 more fishes left in my tooth. Oops, sorry. So, it's okay. Well, it's been 7 hours, I guess. 7 hours, no, not 7 hours. 6 hours and 37 minutes. Oh my god. Since we have been sleeping? Yeah. That's a lot of time, right? Yeah. Anyways, who will we wake up next? Oh, Ducky. Wake up, Ducky. I'll tickle him with a feather. Goo. Stop that. Goo. Ow. Oh no! Is that the elephant monster? Why do everybody keep kicking us? Oops, little ones. You're so cute. Sorry. It's okay. Now 7 more. Me too. 7 more sardines in my baby kid lunchbox. Me too. Same as well here. I also hate fishes. I will never eat fish again like the duck. Me as well. I'll never eat fish in my entire life like the duck and Ducky. Me as well. I'm bored of fish. I don't like fish anymore as well. Yeah, before you came in our flock, who was the leader? Swan was the leader because he was the biggest one. But now I am the biggest one in the flock. So I am the leader. Yeah, but we are talking back then. Oh. Back then Swan was the leader. And even more back then, only last year Swan was the leader. Right, Swan? Swan? Where is he? Oh yeah, he's still sleeping. Then before Swan, last year, Peacock was the leader. Yup, I was the leader before I even had a kid. Yeah, in that times we also didn't have kids and babies. Yeah, I also didn't have kids and babies. Back then, nobody had kids and babies. The penguin family didn't had. Then it was not a penguin family. It was just one penguin. Now there's 3 penguins because now the penguin family has arrived. Back then, there was only mother penguin. But no babies and kids of her. Yup. And back then, there was only pink parrot and green parrot. Just started bonding. Yup. We were even not in love before back then. Yeah, because that's all love stuff. Like, why are we acting like Rio? Because it's full of love. I know. It's a lesson of love, but we have love, kindness, and saluteness and respectful birds in our hands. Yeah, we have kindness, love, taking care of the earth. That's all in our hands. That's all in our wings. Yeah. Kindness, love, and keeping the world clean is in our wings, right? Yeah, correct. I don't know why I have confusions with hands and wings. Only Darsh, like humans like Darsh, have hands. But birds like us have wings. Yeah. Even flightless birds have them, right? I've nearly finished. I have now 7 fishes in my baby lunch kid box. What about you? Yeah, same here. Come. Let them eat. Let's start waking up the others again. Oh yeah. But I forgot. Why did you say elephant monster? Yeah, I also have the nightmare. In my dream, there was an elephant capturing all and hitting you with his giant sharp tusks. But our all superhero powers cannot work at his strength. Then we all died. Well, that's definitely a nightmare. Yep, I know. And in there was a giraffe monster cooking us in a frying pan and eating us, and we were in their stomach. Oh my god. Crowy, Ducky, and Baldy, you had some very spooky nightmares. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Wake up! Oh yeah. Now let's wake up, Swan. Wake up, Swan. Huh? What happened? It's been 6 hours since we have been sleeping. Oh, that's a long time. Yeah, I know, Swan. Let me just stand here. Wake up, red parrot. Oh. What was in your nightmare? In my nightmare, we were going to the haunted house and we were being captured by ghosts and they put us in a cage. Yikes! That's pretty scary. I know. Wake up, Snowy. What? Why are you laughing? Oh yeah. I had a funny dream of us eating themselves. Yeah, that's really funny. Wake up, owl. Huh? What happened? It's been 6:45 since we have been sleeping. Oh, that's a lot of time. Wake up, yellow parrot. Howie. Hey, that's rude. Why did you knock off my kid? Oops. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Now never do that again. Yeah. Don't worry, it's just a mistake. So I will not do it ever again. What a beautiful day. Oh, he woke up by himself? Well, that's great. No waking up. What? What happened? It's been 6:46 since we have been sleeping. Oh my god, that's a long time. Well, leader, what's the plan? When we will leave? After some time, pretty soon. Oh, okay. Meanwhile, everybody, pack your bags up because we are going in some time, right? Remember? So, pack your bags. One more fish left, yeah? Done. Done. Now keep it in your backpack. Here. Here. And close the lid. Here. Here. That's better. Let me zip it up. I'm still packing. Me as well. Ow.